Knock, knock. Mrs. Brown.
Hello.
Do you remember me, Terry, from a couple of days ago?
Hi, yes.
Well, Mrs. Brown, how have you been?
Yeah, good, good.
Wonderful. How's your walking been?
It's been getting better, yes, yes.
Okay. Tell me, have you fallen over at all since we saw each other?
No, I haven't.
Oh, well done.
No.
Good, good, good. Mrs. Brown, do you remember the goals that we set last time?
Yes, I've got them.
You've got them? Ah, wonderful. Do you want to pull that out and let's just go through what that goal was? What was that goal?
I'm asking for help every time I need to go to the bathroom.
Wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me, Mrs. Brown, how did you go with trying to do that goal?
Most of the time I was able to do it, yes.
Most of the time?
Yes.
And you didn't fall over?
No, I didn't.
So you were able to do the goal most of the time?
Yes.
And you didn't fall over?
Yes.
Well done, well
Thank
done.
you.
Tell me though, Mrs. Brown, most of the time doesn't mean all the time though, does it?
No.
Tell me, what happened when you weren't able to do that?
Well, one of the nights I needed to go to the bathroom and there was an alarm sounding and all the nurses were off dealing with that, so I had to wait too long, so I needed to go by myself.
Okay. And do you think that there was anything that you could do in future to try and help help avoid that situation again, or?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Okay. Tell me, Mrs. Brown, with your walk, I see you've got your walking frame here still, which you're using as a bit of a stool. I'll have to go and get you a stool from somewhere.
Yeah.
Tell me, how's your walking going with the walking frame?
Well, it's been going a lot better, and the doctor said that, or the nurses have been saying that I can walk on my own now, and the doctor said that I'd be able to use a walking stick.
Wonderful.
So,
a walking stick.
Yeah. So I'll be able to go home sooner.
Okay, and do you need to have somebody else helping you at the same time?
I think so, sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yes.
What do you mean sometimes?
I'm not sure. They just said I can start using it. So.
Okay. So we might need to find out for sure whether you're allowed to do this on your own or whether you're still needing someone to help you out doing that. Do you feel that you still need that help?
I don't necessarily think so, because I have been getting better fairly quickly.
Yeah? So you're recovering. I see the bandage on your knee there.
Yes.
That's all healing up under there?
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, what we need to have a think about again, Mrs. Brown, is what sort of fall do you think might be most likely to happen to you now? So it may not be the same sort of thing that we thought about last time, because, as you said, you're getting better.
Yes.
You're able to walk around a bit better, you're able to try some different things. And obviously you're going to be thinking about wanting to do things that you used to do at home.
Yes.
Because you're getting close to being able to go home shortly.
Yes.
So what do you think is going to be the thing that you need to do to improve your safety the most while you're here?
Well, I do notice that even though I'm walking a bit better, that sometimes my leg feels very good, and other times it still feels a little bit weak.
Yes.
So I'm worried that I might have a fall when it's weaker.
Right,
Yes.
okay. All right, so maybe one of the things to think about is really listening to your body, because obviously it's telling you that sometimes I'm good, but sometimes I'm not quite that good.
Yes.
What do you think you should do if it's not feeling quite so good?